Hey everybody, welcome to my last review for tonight. I think this is review 4 or 5, or I don't know, I lost count, but this is a security suite. I think it's out of Russia if I remember right. It's called OSSS Security Suite. It's 20 megs, and I checked it out a little bit before, and what it is, from the looks of it, it's not an antivirus, so you don't use this as an antivirus. It's an advanced host intrusion prevention system, HIPS, and firewall. So I'm going to install this, and we're going to give it a test. During the install here, I'm going to pause the video, and if anything interesting comes up, I'll unpause it. If not, I'll see you guys when it's all done. See you in a second. Okay, real quick here. Once it's installed here, something called Online Secure Solution Security Master opens up. And what this does is it analyzes your system for known problems and trusted programs and all that stuff. So that's kind of neat, and just wanted to show you guys that. One other thing that I wanted to show you guys here when this is all done, it actually checks the detected objects using their online scanner and probably database to make sure that everything is actually good. So here, once you hit that, you can view your permissions. This is your virtual machine driver, so we'll allow that, as you can see. And you can look at all your trusted programs here, as you can see, so that's all good. Hit next, and now it will restart the computer. So I'll be back when this is restarted. See you in a second. Okay, so when the computer restarts, you're basically seeing some SVC host trying to set up a connection, which is normal, so you allow that. And the system again is normal, so you allow that. You pop open the program here. There's nothing to update on this. Like I said, there's no signatures. You have your events here. You have your protection, trusted, applications blocked, programs. You have your firewall. You can go firewall settings, rules, network connections, DNS, network adapters. I mean, this is a very, very complicated and detailed program. I definitely wouldn't recommend this program for inexperienced users, but for an experienced user, it's very, very good at giving you all the details on your system and everything that's running. As you can see, everything is right now it's set up on learning mode because I just installed it, but I'll leave it just like it is. So let's try it out here. We got my favorite links from my other reviews. Real quick, let's check out, see how it does on memory usage. Okay, there's two things here, about 30 megs at the most. So that's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. They could definitely bring the user interface down lower. The service isn't bad, but 15 megs, a little high. So let's get started here. Oh yeah, that one doesn't work, so I'm not going to sit around wasting time on that one. Now I remember. Come on. So we're going to run this patch.exe to see what we get here. Okay, so you got Internet Explorer is trying to create a new executable file. We will allow that for now because it's actually just trying to open the file. Okay, and once again, ieuser.exe. Let's see what that is. Let's allow that for now. Okay, and it's trying to launch patch1.exe. You can click your details. So Internet Explorer is trying to launch patch1.exe, so we'll allow that for now. Okay, and it's trying to terminate patch1.exe. So, okay, so finally after all that we get to this. Okay, so once again it's trying to execute that. It's trying to terminate that. We'll allow that to go by. Okay, so here we go. If you don't look at the stuff that it's doing and you pop the details up, you say this program wants to run automatically every time. And it wants to use a very suspicious place. Oh, that's bad. So treat this process as blocked application, so we will block that. And once again, it's trying to run automatically, so we'll block that. It's trying to create an executable file in your system folder. It says only if you're sure, otherwise block it, so we'll block it. And that one's gone. So it seems like it's going to take a little bit to do this. Again. Okay, finally. Okay, it's trying to create an executable, so we'll block that. Install a program. Block that. Block that. Delayed deletion. It's interesting. Okay, we'll keep going. Now, as you see, these hips, they're made for people who know what they're doing on their computer. They're not made for every Joe Schmo out there. That one might not work. We'll watch it, see what it does. Open up a new tab here. Computer seems okay, not too slow. Once again, even though I remember this, it changes because this changes every time. It's kind of annoying. There we go, we can finally run the program. Okay, so it's trying to install a program. It's POLS, spools.exe. Download some kind of package, and you see this is orange. It's not in red, but we'll block it. Install a program, downloading some kind of installation package from the internet. Okay, and that one was dead. Run this, allow. Okay, it says modify protected registry value. Block, so we'll block it. Block. Modify registry. Create a new file. Launch another process. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm getting low on time here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to run these last three and I'll be back. Okay, so I finished running all those last three links, and right now I'm actually downloading Malwarebytes. Now this OSSS doesn't have a scan or anything in it because, like I said, it's got no signatures or anything like that. It's all hips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Malwarebytes and do a scan, and I'll see if anything got by it. Now I'm expecting stuff to be in temporary folders. Like this right here is an icon that one of the rogues left over, so that's not a big deal. But I want to see if anything's actually there and really inside the system. So after this downloads, and I'll run it. You can also treat this process as an installer, so that's great. And I'll be back when Malwarebytes is done scanning. See you in a second. Okay, so Malwarebytes just finished scanning here. Let's check out, see what it found. So it found that one link here, that rogue link. That's fine. Found another quick launch link, so that's not a huge deal. Start menu, that's not a huge deal. We did see it has a software, an advanced virus remover key, and there's a goob face trace. There's a .bat file left over, so it didn't do bad. A couple leftover things here, so it's not the worst I've seen yet. It's not very user friendly, so I give it a 8 out of 10. Alright guys, time's up, so I'll talk to everybody later. See ya.